For the multi-view Unity project, I'm going to be talking about how to measure those 12 boxes onto your paper. This is a 12 by 18 piece of paper. The measurement marks kind of depend on the ruler that you get. If you get a ruler that is 18 inches long, what you'll want to do is set the ruler at the bottom. You are going to mark in the center of the paper, which is at inch 9. So just mark a small little line. And then you're going to be marking at 4.5 and 13.5. So what this gives you is 4.5 inches for those sections, and you're going to move the ruler to the top, and then you're going to do the same thing, 9, 13.5, and 4.5. The reason why we measure at the bottom and the top is so we can take our ruler and we can connect these lines to get an accurate and straight line. So then you'll take your ruler, mark up those lines, and with a light pencil line, which I'm not going to use so you can see, mark that line all the way down. Okay, now if you have the ruler that ends at 12, it's going to be a similar process. Line the ruler up where it starts with the inch 1, right at the beginning. You're going to do the same thing. Mark at 9. Now the problem here, it doesn't end at 13.5. So you're going to take your ruler, measure at 4.5, then take your ruler, you're going to move it to the middle, so right at 9, inch 9. Okay, so it's starting at inch 1, and then you're going to find, let's see, there's the 4.5, and you will mark that. So there's your last line. Then you'll do the same thing at the top. Now, for marking the sides here vertically, you are going to take your ruler, set it up next to the paper. You're going to mark inch 4 and 8. And then we're going to do that at the top. 4 and 8. Now if you have a short ruler that ends at 12, this doesn't go all the way across. So I recommend that you also write or draw those measurement marks on that center line. So 4 and 8. Otherwise you don't know where to connect them. The only reason you need to do the measurement marks at the top and the bottom is if you have a ruler that ends at 18, because it fits all the way across, which then you can just line it there. Okay, and at the bottom, I'm not sure if you guys can see this, and then mark the line all the way down. So you can kind of see, we'll do the same thing on this side. There we go. And now we have our 12 boxes. Each box is 4 inches by 4.5.